In this video, we'll see how to deactivate a BI connector license key from one machine so that the license becomes available to use in another machine. Note that the deactivation feature is available in BI Connector version 5.0 and above. License activation and deactivation can be done either offline or online. If a license was activated online, it can only be deactivated online. And a license activated offline can only be deactivated offline. I'll first demonstrate how to deactivate a license online. I have my ODBC Data Source Administrator open, and I'll select any DSN that was configured using the BI Connector driver. I'll click Configure. In the window that opens, I'll click the key icon at the top. This opens the BI Connector Activate License window. At the bottom of this window, I'll click Deactivate and get a message that the deactivation was successful. Now the license key is released from the current machine, and I can activate the license key on a new machine. Now I'll show how to deactivate a BI Connector license offline. The steps start out the same way as the online deactivation. From the ODBC Data Source Administrator window, I'll select a DSN, click Configure, and click the key icon. I'll click Deactivate at the bottom, which produces the offline deactivation request file. I can save this file in the default folder or any other convenient folder. Back in my Activate License window, I can see that the deactivation request was generated successfully, and I can upload the generated file by clicking here. On the web page that opens, I'll click Choose File, browse to the file that was generated, and click Open. Now I can click the large Deactivate button. Now that my offline deactivation was successful, I can activate the same license on a new machine. Looking to connect self-service analytics tools to OBIEE and OAC data sources? Try BI Connector. You can download the latest version from www.biconnector.com. To keep up with the latest from BI Connector, click the subscribe button of the BI Connector channel and click the bell icon to get notified about new videos.